Hello, dear friends. Now let's continue to learn the characteristics of the Dao. The characteristic 6. Perfect justice. In simple words, the Dao is absolutely fair, even when it doesn't look like that way. Sometimes life seems unfair. Good people suffer and bad people prosper. Where is the justice? But the Dao operates on a much larger scale than we can see. It considers all of time, past lives, present life, future lives. It considers all causes and effects, even those we have forgotten. Think of it like a bank account. Every action is a deposit or withdrawal. The balance is always exact. Even if we cannot see the full record, there are no wronged souls in hell. There are no wronged people on earth. Everything that happens to us has a reason, even if we cannot see it. What this means for us? Trust the Dao. Trust the Dao's justice. Do not worry about others getting away with wrongdoing. Do not feel sorry for yourself. Focus on your own actions. Focus on your own consciousness. The Dao will take care of the rest. Characteristic 7. Unobstructed flow. The Dao flows everywhere without any obstruction. Nothing can block it. Light travels fast, but it can be blocked by a wall. Sound travels fast, but it can be blocked by distance. The Dao cannot be blocked by anything. It penetrates everything instantly. Even if you are inside a room with a walls 10 meters thick, your thoughts and consciousness would still connect to the universal law, universal Dao. Your prayers would still be heard. Your intentions would still be registered. This is why distance does not matter for spiritual connection. This is why loved ones can sense each other across the world. What this means for us? You can connect with the Dao anywhere, anytime. No special space is needed. No special equipment is needed. Just your consciousness. And once you truly align with the Dao, you can travel anywhere in consciousness. No barriers can hold you. Characteristic 8. Reality through consciousness. In simple words, what seems empty can become real. What seems real can become empty. It all depends on consciousness. For example, a composer imagines a symphony. At first, it exists only in their mind, empty, invisible. Then they write it down. Musicians play it, and suddenly it becomes real. People hear it, feel it, cry because of it. Where did this reality come from? From consciousness. A scientist proved that water molecules change their structure based on the consciousness directed at them. Beautiful, loving thoughts create beautiful crystals. Hateful thoughts create ugly, chaotic structures. Your consciousness shapes reality. If you have no concept of heaven in your consciousness, you cannot go there. If you have no concept of freedom in your consciousness, you cannot experience it. What this means for us? This is the most powerful characteristic. It means we are creators. Our consciousness shapes our reality. If you want heaven, put heaven in your consciousness. If you want peace, put peace in your consciousness. If you want love, put love in your consciousness. The emptiness can produce form. The form can return to emptiness. Learn to work with consciousness, and you become a co-creator with the Tao.